How to log into Citi Employee Workbench. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to easily log into your Citi Employee Workbench account. The first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and search for Citi Employee Workbench or Citi Employee Login Portal. Click on the first link that you see here, and from here you have an option to enter your username right from the screen. So provide your username right here, then tap on login. Then you can just click on the single sign in as well. Once that is done, you could just go ahead and enter your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on reset password and click on this link. It will go to another site where you can get an email on your account. And on that email, you'll get a verification code or a link to reset your password. That is basically it, guys. That's how you log into your Citi Employee Workbench. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.